So we built Grace's giant cake gravity racer and we're going to roll it down the hill very fast.
Let's get racing.
Kids invent stuff.
Go! 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 Three, two, one, go!
A massive thank you to Grace for her amazing giant cake racing invention. We've had loads of fun racing it and an epic crash.
And a massive thank you to the ERA Foundation and the EEF, the manufacturers organisation, for sponsoring us and allowing us to do crazy things like this.
So all that's left to do now is to clean up all the cake.
See you next week.
Bye.
Bye.
Kids invent stuff.